Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I constructed this box braid wig unit. So if you would like to see the process, please like, comment, and subscribe and stay tuned. Things I will need for this video is a kid's dome cap, scissors, a lighter, and the hair I'll be using is from Amazon. It's called Crochet hair, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Here is the packet that it comes in. It comes with 6 bundles with 20 in each bundle. The ends of the box braids did come folded inside of the packet, but it should be fine once I dip them in hot water. Alrighty guys, so let's get started. As you see here, I am sewing the crochets individually, going inside of each loop of the braids. Make sure it is tight and secured because they will slip out if it's not done correctly. Here I tie several knots, maybe 2 or 3, just to make sure it is secured. Another thing guys, make sure you are not sewing the needle through the elastic band on the wig cap, because if you do so, then you will not be able to stretch out your wig as you desire, and most likely you will have to take it down. So don't nobody have time for all of that, so let's just not do that. I also like the ends of the thread that are sticking out once I sew the crochet onto the wig cap, and you can pull on it, tug on it a bit just to make sure it is secured. You also need to space out your braids because you don't want too many in your head, but if you space them out correctly, they will fall in aligning with everything else and it'll look perfect. But I will show you guys this a couple more times. But other than that, I'm going to shut my mouth and let the video play. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. you.